In front of me I have AirPods and the iPhone, and I will show you how to connect these two devices. So for the first, we have to go to the settings in our iPhone, click on the Bluetooth and just turn it on. And as you can see now, we have to grab our case and open it. And now we have the notification that our AirPods are not connected to this iPhone. So just click here on the connect. And as you can see, now we have to press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. So click here, hold, and they are connecting, and it's done. So right now, when you're going to open your case, you can just use AirPods. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.